Was good, ladies and gentlemen. After checking out Wright's first steps in this whole cinematic thing with Get Jinxed, we will now check out their most recent work. I think so. It's The Call. It's the season trailer for 2022. I'm really excited to find out how much Wright improved in these 9 years now. If you have suggestions and things I need to check out, let me know down in the comments, guys. And now, guys, without further ado, let's jump right into this. Bro, Heimerdinger. Buffed as fuck, man. Boss mode. What happened with him? Damn, the animations, man. Look at this. Ooh. Oh my god. Damn, okay, man. And I thought the animations in Get Jinx are already top notch, but this is another level, man. Shit. Oh, look at this outfit, man. So it's different nations, right? Like, it's a whole world, but they have different areas with different weather and so on, and different climatic situations. This is like a sand world, like a Middle Eastern or African area. Her outfit is so off. Oh, the music is nice. Oh. Damn, bro. Oh, this is good. Damn. Oh, she's like an earthbender. Damn, what's up with her? Holy shit, she's badass. Guys, I don't know any of them, man. I'm so sorry. I knew Heimerdinger. At least. What the fuck? What the? Holy shit. How are every one of them so badass? How can you even decide who to play? Woo. Damn. Wow, animations. Oh my god. Damn. What's that? Heimerdinger. Is it Heimerdinger? Bro, like, I'm sorry, but look at these animations, man. This looks so real. Like, if Riot would do a whole series like Arcane, but in that style, that would probably cost all the money. But this would be so epic, man. They would go bankrupt after that, but I would enjoy it so much. Damn. Oh. I really had high expectations. Really high. But this is even better than I expected. Oh, she's pretty. She looks so off, man. Like she doesn't belong there. This purple girl. Is she an alien? She must be an alien, right? Oh no. Oh, bro, I got goosebumps. Like, I don't even play the game, but I got so hyped. I just want to go into the game now. Like, I'm so hyped right now, man. Oh, this was awesome. It's not Heimerdinger, man. Who's that? Did Heimerdinger have horns? No, he had no horns. He's like a cat or something, right? It's someone else, man. Maybe his uncle. Holy shit. Wow. I'm blown away, man. I'm literally blown away. This was way more than I expected. Like, these animations were just on point, man. Holy shit. Oh my god. I know that Blizzard is like the kings when it comes to the cinematic stuff for the games. Like, I've watched some of the World of Warcraft cinematic videos and top notch, man. You can't say anything against that. This one dethroned Blizzard right there. So ladies and gentlemen, let's see now what else Riot have for us. I'm really excited. I guess it won't be on this level. Like, I have to put my expectations down from this one definitely, because I don't think it will live up to this quality. But still, Get Jinx was like 2013 and I'm still blown away by Get Jinx, so there won't be any problems with the quality, I'm sure. Like I said, write everything down you want me to react to and we will rock this shit together, guys. We will enjoy this journey together. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay with my friends and I see you next time.